and it is our homemade bread. We have 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of milk, some raspberry jam. I'm spreading some butter in the baking bowl. Let me keep the bowl aside. Let us spread the jam on the bread. This will take a while, sorry. Here we are. Now, let us spread some butter. Let us turn one bread like a sandwich. Let us arrange it in the baking pan. This will take a little time, sorry. Now I have arranged it like this. Now take a bowl, mix egg, sugar, milk. Let us put the egg first. And stir it a little bit. Now I am going to add sugar. Now let us pour the milk. Now let us soak the bread cubes in the mix. Let me give it a press. Let us keep it in the fridge tonight and bake it tomorrow. Let us close it to keep in the fridge. Our bread has soaked well overnight in the fridge. Here I have a baking tray with some water in it. Let me keep the pudding bowl into the tray. You have to be careful, if not it will slip from your hand. Now let's cover it with the foil paper and bake it. Let me poke some holes with the knife. bread pudding is ready. We have baked it for 35 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius.